Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best get well gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful gestures you can offer to show someone you care. When a woman is feeling under the weather, a carefully chosen gift can bring comfort and a much-needed boost to her spirits. In this video, we'll explore some fantastic get well gift ideas tailored specifically for women, ensuring your present brings a smile and a sense of care during their recovery. Number 5. Body Restore Bloom Shower Steamers 6-pack. This set includes eucalyptus and mint, citrus, lavender, jasmine, bergamot, and chamomile essential oils. It's a perfect gift for birthdays, offering a refreshing and natural experience. This product lasts longer than typical shower steamers, making it a must-have for those seeking natural relaxation. It's ideal for bridal showers, self-care routines, or gifts for new mothers. Melt away the day's stress with these relaxing shower bombs. They are great for teacher appreciation, gifts for dads, and postpartum essentials for women. Compact and convenient, these self-care bath bombs are travel must-haves for on-the-go relaxation. They are perfect for college students, graduation gifts, or unique spa gifts. Spoil your sweetheart on Valentine's Day or your best friend on her birthday. When it comes to spa gifts or stress relief, this is the ultimate choice. What we like. These shower steamers offer a delightful blend of essential oils for a spa-like experience. They are perfect for anyone needing a moment of relaxation and stress relief. If you are looking for a thoughtful gift to help someone unwind and feel pampered, this is a great choice. What people say. The blanket is incredibly soft and cozy. The tumbler is a nice size and keeps drinks cold for hours. The socks are very soft and comfortable. Number 4. AprBox Get Well Soon Gift Basket for Women. This gift basket is the perfect way to show someone you care. It's designed to provide comfort, encouragement, and hope during a challenging time. This thoughtful gift will let her know she's not alone. Inside, she'll find a collection of items hand-picked for a soothing experience. From a soft blanket to cozy socks, everything is designed to make her feel nurtured and cared for. It's a truly comforting gift. This gift box is designed to brighten her day. The shower steamers create a spa-like atmosphere, while the blanket and socks provide warmth. She'll feel the care and thought behind each item, even when dealing with stress. This gift is ideal for various occasions. Whether she's recovering from surgery, feeling under the weather, or just needs a pick-me-up, this gift is a great choice. It's perfect for showing your love and support. This gift goes beyond a typical present. It's a comprehensive gesture of love and support, arriving in a high-end gift box. The unboxing experience is as delightful as the gifts themselves, making it a truly special gift. What we like. This gift basket is a complete package designed to provide comfort and support. It includes a variety of items to help her feel nurtured and cared for. If she is recovering from surgery or simply needs a pick-me-up, this gift will show her you care. What people say. The blanket is incredibly soft and cozy. The tumbler is a nice size and keeps drinks cold for hours. The socks are very soft and comfortable. Number 3. HGDEER Elephant Bracelet for Women. This beautiful bracelet is designed for women. It features natural stone and elephant charm, making it a symbol of strength and inspiration. The bracelet is crafted with natural stones. Each stone adds a unique touch to the design, making it a perfect accessory. The elephant charm represents strength and good luck. It's a meaningful gift for any woman, reminding her of her inner power. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This bracelet is ideal for birthdays, anniversaries, or any special occasion. She will love it. The HGDEER Elephant Bracelet combines elegance with a powerful message. It's a stylish accessory that carries a deeper meaning. What we like. This elephant bracelet is a symbol of strength and resilience, making it a meaningful gift. Its natural stone design adds a touch of elegance. If you want to give a gift that offers encouragement and a reminder of inner strength, this bracelet is ideal. What people say. The blanket is incredibly soft and cozy. The tumbler is a great size and keeps drinks cold for hours. The candle has a lovely scent and burns evenly. Number 2. Get well soon gifts for women. Show your care with this thoughtful gift. It's perfect for letting her know you're thinking of her, whether it's for a get-well wish or just to show you care. Help her relax and unwind with this spa gift box. It includes everything she needs to feel pampered and cared for. This gift basket is ideal for various situations, offering encouragement and support. It's a great way to show you care, no matter the occasion. The included tumbler is a lasting reminder of your support. The "You got this" quote is permanently laser engraved, offering a daily dose of encouragement. The gift basket is carefully packaged. If there are any issues, please reach out. We're here to help and ensure she receives the best experience. What we like. This gift basket includes a tumbler with an encouraging message, perfect for providing psychological support. It is thoughtfully curated to help her relax and unwind. If you are looking for a gift to uplift someone's spirits during a difficult time, this is a great option. What people say. The blanket is incredibly soft and cozy. The tumbler is a great size and keeps drinks cold for hours. The candle smells amazing and fills the room with a pleasant fragrance. Number 1. Get well soon gifts and broken bone t-shirt. Are you or someone you know recovering from an injury or illness? This shirt is the perfect way to send well wishes and show you care. It's a thoughtful gift that offers comfort and support during a tough time. This shirt is designed to bring a smile to their face. It's a simple yet meaningful gesture that lets them know you're thinking of them. The soft fabric and comfortable fit make it ideal for everyday wear. Whether it's a broken bone, a heart attack, or just a general feeling of unwellness, this shirt is a versatile choice. It's a reminder that they're not alone and that better days are ahead. They will appreciate the sentiment. This shirt offers a sense of comfort and encouragement. It's a tangible expression of your support during their recovery journey. It's a gift that they can cherish and wear with pride. Give the gift of hope and healing. This shirt is more than just apparel, it's a message of love and support. It's a simple way to say, "Get well soon, we're here for you." What we like. This t-shirt offers a simple and direct message of support and well wishes. It is a practical and comfortable gift. If you want to send a quick and easy message of care, this t-shirt is a perfect choice. What people say. Perfect to bring a smile to someone that has had surgery. My niece absolutely loves this shirt. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.